Today we're diving into the big debate, petrol versus electric. Which one truly comes out on top for UK drivers in 2025? Let's break it down. Let's kick things off by talking about running costs, because that's where things get interesting. As of June 2025, the average petrol price in the UK is around 132.3 pence per litre, according to the Department for Energy Security and Net Zero's weekly road fuel prices. If you're driving a typical petrol car, that averages around 45 miles per gallon. You're looking at roughly 13 pence per mile. On the flip side, electricity costs are currently capped at 25.73 pence per kilowatt hour under Ofgem's energy price cap for July to September 2025. Take the Volkswagen ID3 for example. It consumes about 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour, which translates to approximately 5.7 pence per mile. So when you do the math, driving an EV like the ID3 could cost you less than half compared to a petrol car. Maintenance is another area where EVs shine. With fewer moving parts, there's less that can go wrong. The average annual maintenance cost for an EV is around £235, compared to £400 for a petrol car. Over 5 years, that's a saving of £825, according to the car expert. Now, let's talk emissions. The RAC Foundation averages that a petrol car in the UK emits around 143 grams of CO2 per kilometre. Electric vehicles, while having no tailpipe emissions, do have associated emissions from electricity generation. A 2021 report by the Faraday Institution estimates that in the UK, EVs emit around 46 grams of CO2 per kilometre when accounting for the electricity used to charge them. That's a significant reduction, making EVs the greener choice. Let's delve into the financial aspects of owning an electric vehicle in the UK, starting with the Vehicle Excise Duty, VED, commonly known as road tax. New EVs registered on or after the 1st of April 2025 will incur a first-year VED of £10, followed by the standard annual rate of £195 from the second year onwards. EVs registered between the 1st of April 2017 and the 31st of March 2025 will be paying the standard annual rate of £195 as of April 2025. Additionally, EVs with a list price exceeding £40,000 will be subject to the expensive car supplement, which is an extra £425 annually for the first 5 years, bringing the annual road tax to £620. These changes were outlined in the UK government's Autumn Statement 2022 and are detailed on the official gov.uk website. While electric vehicles have enjoyed several financial incentives, upcoming policy changes will introduce new costs for EV owners. It's crucial to stay informed about these developments to make well-informed decisions regarding vehicle ownership. Refueling a petrol car is quick. Just a few minutes at the pump, but it often means a detour to a petrol station. Charging an electric vehicle, on the other hand, offers more flexibility. If you have a home charger, you can plug in overnight and start each day with a full battery. For those on the go, public rapid chargers are increasingly available. As of May 2025, the UK boasted 80,998 electric vehicle charging points across 39,773 charging locations. On the ZapMap database, there has been 1,344 new charging devices that have been added in April alone. If you're only interested in rapid charging, there are 16,259 rapid or ultra-rapid charging devices across 6,203 charging locations in the UK. Ultra-rapid charger points have seen an increase, with 1,291 added since the beginning of the year. And last month, 385 new rapid or ultra-rapid charging devices were added to the ZapMap platform. So, what's the verdict? EVs offer low running and maintenance costs and are considered to be better for the environment. Petrol cars have the advantage in refueling speed and initial purchase price. Ultimately, the choice depends on your driving habits and priorities. What do you think? If you're weighing up your options, head over to CarSupermarket.com. We've got petrol, hybrid and electric models ready to compare, and a team who can help you make the right call.